To make a customized memorial lantern, you will need the following: a Borrby lantern by IKEA, a heavy-duty glue gun like my Ryobi one, some solo wood flowers, some faux filler, a Cricut maker, and some permanent vinyl. Always start with your filler. It's a lot easier to lay your flowers down flat if you have a good base of filler first. My filler is from Hobby Lobby, and it was super cheap because I got it on half-off week. Once you've figured out where you want your filler, go ahead and glue it down and begin building your flowers around it. I got my solo wood flowers from Viola, Sola, and Birch. If you use my code, you get 10% off. I prefer to apply the hot glue directly to the back of the solo wood flower. It allows for a little better control when you're applying your flowers to the lantern. You also want to make sure that you push very gently into the center of the flower. That way it adheres completely to your lantern. Here's what's going to look like once your flowers and your filler is fully applied. Next up, it's time to cut and apply your vinyl. I like to use a Cricut maker, and I prefer using a permanent vinyl because it just adheres better. Even though I prefer using permanent vinyl for its long-lasting capabilities, it can be a little bit difficult to apply. I like to make sure that I have a fully clean area and surface before applying it. That makes for a perfect adhesion. And just like that, you're done. A memorial lantern is a wonderful way to commemorate somebody that you've loved and lost.